あっちゃんタイミングは良かったね。アイベンのところに着いたら、ほら、アイベン What's up? We got some more. It's not Christmas yet, but we brought some presents.
Oh, that's awesome. That's
We
good.
got something. We got some guys from down in Miami named JDM Miami, man. These super nice guys. We contacted them, and I think they sent us some more stuff, some more goodies that we're gonna need. Right, kid? Let's get this box out. Kid, grab it. Go, 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 get it. There it is. Bring it in. Let's go to Ivan's office where it's warm.
Merry Christmas.
I recognize that nice Porsche. Hey, Raymond, how are you? Good, good. All right, Ivan, would you do the honors, please? Our friends JDM Miami set us up. I think you're gonna like what is hiding. $11,000 RPMs are getting closer by the minute.
Well, these people are no joke about wrapping their stuff.
I like that, man. They're super nice guys, too. A guy named Carlos runs the place. I spoke to him. Man, he said, definitely want to work with you guys. And I got to tell you, ship the stuff out fast.
Whoa.
And, oh!
Yes, yeah!
Whoa, there it is again.
Oh, man. I am excited now.
What do you think, Ivan?
Oh, these are very clean. I like it.
Yes, sir. They figured this was the setup we needed. And these guys had a beautiful looking one.
Yeah.
Looks nice, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Nice.
Absolutely.
Knew we got Ivan excited with that one. You gonna let him open that one too, kid? I think Ivan gets to do the honors. Ivan gets to do the honors.
Oh, this is heavy.
You want to guess on that one? Ivan's gonna figure that
I have
out.
no idea. Oh.
Ah.
The crankshaft?
Open her up.
Wow.
Here we go. Oh, these guys know how to.
Yeah.
Yee-hee. That's what they said.
Yeah.
Let's take a look.
Yeah. Nice.
That is a nice one right
These are
there.
forged from the factory.
Forged from the factory. This is a silver. What was this? A silver top, 20 valve, forged crankshaft, Ivan.
This is awesome.
And so we made a great new connection and super nice people in Miami who had this stuff. And what do you think? Now there's one other thing here too, right, kid?
Yep.
We got one other little surprise for Ivan as well. We're not done yet. Christmas is not done yet. It's more like Hanukkah than Christmas today. Lots of presents.
Yeah. Seems like an ECU.
Nope. We shall see shortly.
Oh, the oil pump. Yes.
Yeah. We needed that too, didn't we?
Oh, yeah.
And we're getting to go with that. That's the silver top oil pump, right? And then we're getting
The impeller?
the impeller gear as well is coming from our guy
MRP.
MRP. That's right, another super awesome company working. We are meeting so many cool people. But hey, man, did JDM Miami hook us up or what, dude?
Oh, these people are definitely throwing the house out, throw out the window.
Yeah.
And you know what? They got more stuff too. If we need anything more, they're a great resource. We're gonna go back to them. And big thanks to these guys, huh?
Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Carlos, JDM Miami.
Thank you, guys.
You guys are awesome. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Ivan, did we do good?
Yeah.
Did we do good? Are you happy?
Yes.
All right,
Excited.
machine. You're off to the machine shop, huh? I'm gonna get
Yes,
the stuff
right
looked
now.
over.
Right
We
away.
got more parts showing up from New Zealand. So many different little elements of this that
Yes.
all are coming together. Great people all together are gonna make this project a great project at the end of the day. But I just gave you more pressure. The kid's going back to school real soon, like real soon. We got a bunch of parts now sitting on a table and a car sitting in pieces. And we got less than a month to get this all together.
Gotta get it going.
Pressure's on, my man. Thumbs up is all we can do right now, and pray a little bit.
Let's
We're gonna
push
make it happen.
Yeah.
We'll be back.
All right, Ivan, we're out of your hair.
Yes,
Gonna
sir.
work out.
See ya.
Have a good day, man.
今日は86をもう全部この前の動画で全部もう残りのパネルとかをばらしました。で、結構いいコネクション 作りましたね、ボディショップと。で、そうもう本当にもう今日の今もう遅れてるので早く86載せないとダメなんだけど、ちょっとこの紹介動画ビビドボディショップという俺たちの近くのミキニにあるんだけど、それの動画ちょっと今見せますね。いやー本当にいい人たちと出会ってよかったね。でとにかくもう俺たちがちょっともう遅れてるって分かってるので、このプロジェクトでちゃんともう俺たちの時間と一緒に合わせてくれて本当にありがたいので、遅れないように86今乗せて、パーツも全部ウィングもあって、こっちにあるのはリアバンパーですね、フロントバンパー、サイドですね。でヘッドランプも持ってくし、最後にこのボンネットも持ってかないとダメですね。86復活もうすぐですね。最初からみんなこの青と青が結構見ないコンビネーションって言われてたんだけど、俺に言わしたらインパクト少ないね。この青が見えるかな。だからもう今回いいコネクションボディショップとできて、一緒に俺とボディショップで一緒に仕事とか板金とかやって、で今回はちょっと違って塗装します。塗装の仕方を俺に教えて、今回はラッピングじゃなくて本当のペンキを86に塗ります。多分みんなもう塗装するって分かったよね。もうハンドルも取ったしガラスまでも取って、もう結構大変だったんだけど、これから本当のプロのボディショップのところに持ってって一緒に仕事できるので、ちょっと楽しみなので、覚えるのがすごい楽しいので、今から86を乗せていきましょうね。じゃあパンキン屋まで行こう。
全部乗せたんで、これから天気だね。よかった、近くでパンキン屋見つかってラッキーだね。今日から本格的の板金スタートですね。行きましょう。あーちゃんよかったね。ビビドールすごい親切なオーナー2人がいて会えて嬉しいです。Guys, so happy to have met you. We moved to McKinney 2 months ago. We've been driving up and down the 380, right?
Yes.
Here, driving by the shop, and I've been telling him the whole time, we've gotta hook up with these guys. They're our neighbors. They're right here in McKinney. They got a beautiful looking shop, and we're gonna need somebody local to help us. So thank you for meeting with us today. Thank you for letting us bring the Corolla in right away and getting it in for us. We're excited about this project and excited about doing it with you guys here at Vivid. How long have you guys been in business for?
We've been here about 6 years.
6 years. Wow. And you've been doing body work for a lot longer than that.
Oh yeah,
Huh?
about 20 years.
Nice, man. Well, it looks like a lot of beautiful cars are in here right now. There's a beautiful Subi we saw up front that they just painted. Looks like there's a whole lot of fun stuff going on here. We look forward to joining you guys and doing a lot of fun stuff going forward too. Starting with the tofu car. The initial D tofu car. Thumbs up, man. Look forward to working with you guys.
Yes.
Guys, again, thank you. We got her inside. We did a walk around it. We now know some of the areas we want to delete, some of the holes we're going to fill. You know about the rot in the back that we got to take care of. Get those things welded up. We talked about some colors, which is top secret at this point.
Yes.
Nobody knows about that quite yet. Do they?
They probably.
They have a good idea, but not exactly. So we're going to keep that zip. But you guys are going to start working on this on Monday. So listen, if possible, we'd love to come down and we'd love to, I don't know, check in on things and maybe help out a little bit if you'd be so kind to let us do that.
No problem.
Guys, Vivid Auto Body on the 380 in McKinney. Super nice people, local people right here in the DFW area. We got a great project going on right now, and I have a feeling it's not going to be the only project we're doing. I got a feeling we got a lot more stuff down the pipeline. So thanks again, man. We'll see you on Monday. Have a great weekend. Thumbs up.
これニュージーランドから
ニュージーランドの方からこれMRP から来たものだよね。アイヴンとエンジンの打ち合わせしているんだけど、Whoa, Ivan! Look, oops, man. Whoa, Ivan! Look at that, dude. We gotta tell you, Ivan.
People are.
Barry at MRP in New Zealand has been an incredible resource on this for all of us, right?
Yeah.
Getting hard to find parts, brand new stuff, and shipping it right away. By the way, Ivan, that's nice, but we got some more goodies for you
man.
right here too.
I can't wait. Let's do it.
Come on, I told you. This is Christmas early. Early Christmas.
Special shout out to MRP.
Dude, MRP is just one guy of many, but particularly MRP who's been helping us out. R&R Auto Sports out of Malaysia too is building our harness.
What is this? Ooh, the oil pump. The oil pump gear.
Yeah, the gear built. This all came from MRP.
From Japan.
Imported from Japan. Overnight it.
Don't drop it.
No, I won't.
Drank a lot of coffee at breakfast, man. Don't drop our gear. She's wet and oily.
Love it.
That's clean.
All the oil pressure. Oh yes. This is the cam cap.
Oh yeah.
Oh, not the cam cap. The
distributor.
The distributor cap.
That's the one we needed, right?
Yeah. Billet aluminum.
Billet.
CNC.
That's nice.
Whoa.
Mr. MRP right there.
Oh, shout
Very
out to
nice.
you guys, man. These
Shout
are-
outs. I like
Quality.
everybody. You guys in this field are all into these three letter kind of abbreviations.
Yeah.
The IPS, the MRP, the RNR,
The POV.
the POV. That's right, kid. Nice.
Yeah. Man, it's awesome.
And the KID for the kid.
Oh yeah.
Finally, we got 4 of these little boxes. I wonder what
What
they
could
are.
that possibly be, huh, Ivan?
Oh,
4 nicely boxed.
Uh-oh. I'll share with you. Nissan style.
That's right. And I like that, right? Nissan, the R35 style?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's all right. No problem.
Hey,
Nissan,
it's all about Japanese.
We love it. It's
Right?
Japanese stuff.
As long as we keep it Japanese, we're doing good.
Nice. And these are coil packs, right?
Yeah.
Nice.
Hold on, plug. This is awesome.
That is it, baby, right there. Again, MRP, the whole setup. Oh, yes. Look at that.
Oh no, man. Oh, this is gonna look so beautiful. I'm so excited.
Plus, we determined we're not going to tell anybody yet, but what color that head's going to, or that valve cover's going to be, right? A valve top? Head cover?
Should I say it, the color?
No! IPS?
IPS color, secret color.
IPS color.
Let's go.